Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 10th chapter is going on, that is time. We have done explanation of it. We have discussed about AM or PM, and today we are going to start a new topic, that is time duration. As we have discussed AM or PM, at what time we use AM or PM, and what do you mean by time, how we can see the time, how we can read or how we can write the time. So, uh, what do you mean by time duration? Now, your topic is time duration. Suppose that if we are going somewhere, we have started our journey from Allahabad at 11 am and we have to reach Lucknow. So, we have started at 11 am and we are reaching there at 4 pm in the evening. So from 11 am to 4 pm, the gap is given. That gap is known as time duration. The time which it has taken to reach from Allahabad to Lucknow, the gap, that distance is known as time duration. So here word problems types of questions are given where we have to calculate the time duration of the question which has been asked in this exercise. So children, first we will go through with the example which is given under this topic, and we will see that how we are taking out the time duration. So before starting this topic, once again let us revise that in a day there are 24 hours are there. In 1 hour there are 60 minutes are there, and in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So for calculating time duration we have to know these points. So with the help of these points we can calculate the time duration easily. So children, take out your books, open your page number 182. First we will discuss the topic, then we will go through with the example, and then we will start the exercise. So if you will have any problem regarding this topic or any of the question under this topic are given, then you can ask me on WhatsApp. Clear children? So be ready with your book. Open page number 182 and let's start the topic. Understanding the topic, I will explain you and you will be able to understand it. So children, let's start it. On page number 182, the time duration topic is given and we are discussing the same. First of all, you can see here it is written 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. It means that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour and 1 minute is having 60 seconds. Now one of the activity is given in this page. So let's see it. What is this activity? To calculate the time duration of an activity, we can calculate the total time taken to complete the activity. Now here two persons you can able to see here. First the dialogues are written here, statements are written here. Let's see what are they. Neha, you started your breakfast at 7:45 am. Now it's 8:05 am. It's very late. Neha's mom is saying to Neha. Now Neha is saying to her mom that, Mom, you always scold me. You can see one clock is also there in which the time is 8:05. Now the question is, what was the time duration of Neha's breakfast? As she started her breakfast at 7:45 am, and now it's 8:05 a.m. She is still doing the breakfast. So what time she started? 7:45. 45 means the long hand is on 9. So it is 7:45. Now you can calculate 5 minutes, 9 to 10 5 minutes, 10 to 11 5 minutes, 11 to 12 5 minutes and 12 to 1 5 minutes. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes are there. So 5 4s are 20. So she has taken 20 minutes to do her breakfast. So you will write here 20 minutes. Now example 1 is given. An examination started at 8:30 a.m. and got over at 11:45 a.m. So calculate the total time duration of the examination. So how we will solve it? Let's see. Now starting time of an examination is 8:30 a.m. Ending time is 11:45 a.m. Now first we will write the time at which the examination started. So that is 8:30. From 8:30 to 9, 9 to 11 and 11 to 45. So this gaps on which it is written 30 minutes, 2 hours and 45 minutes, they are the gap between the time which are given. So 8:30 to 9, 30 minutes will be there. 9 to 11, 2 hours will be there. 9, 10 and 11. So 2 hours will be there. 11 to 11:45 is 45 minutes. Clear? So now total time duration is 2 hours, 30 minutes and 40 minutes. We will add 2 hours plus 30 minutes plus 45 minutes. So hours we will add with hours only and minutes we will add with minutes only. So 2 hours will be we will write, and 30 plus 45 minutes will be 75 minutes. So 2 hours plus 75 minutes again we will do. We'll take 60 minutes as 1 hour, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we will take 60 minutes from 75 and we will minus 60 from 75. It will remain 15 and 60 minutes will become 1 hour and we will add it to 2 hours. So 2 hours will become 3 hours and 15 minutes. So 3 hours 15 minutes is the total time duration. The total time duration of the examination was 3 hours 15 minutes. So this how we are taking out the time duration. Clear? Now your today's classwork will be, you will do this example by yourself without seeing in the book, and your homework will be that you will read very carefully this page number 182, and from tomorrow we will start exercise 10A, which is given on page number 183. So children, thank you and have a nice day.